Hi guys, I'm WoodC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking an American lock. Another one, I picked a 5200 the other day and showed pins. This one is an American 3600. Hope you can see that. Birthday stamp UEK, Uniform Echo Kilo, which is June 2004, which makes it about 13 years of age. I picked this some time ago but never showed the pins, so with me now having the gutting tools that I've had for a while, I thought I'd revisit it. That's the key. And the reason I'm revisiting this lock is because it opens rather well for an American lock. Locked up. Going to use thinner Peterson jam. Tension wrench is this one, bit of a favourite for quite a few locks. Start at the front, work to the back. It is very light tension. Let's see how we get on. So you don't get any false sets or sort of counter rotation with it, which means there may not be spools in there. Goes a bit quicker than that, we're not talking, but it's the nature of the beast. Picks open again. Let's go third time lucky. Open again. Like I say, I'll have to have a go at gutting this. Show photographs afterwards. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.